Is your Xbox sounding like a jet engine and shutting down mid-game? Let's fix that overheating problem. First, unplug your Xbox completely. Let it cool down for at least 30 minutes to avoid any residual heat. This ensures your safety while cleaning. Next, grab a can of compressed air with a narrow nozzle attachment. This is crucial for targeting dust effectively without damaging internal components. Now, holding the can upright, use short bursts of air to blow out dust from all the vents your sides, back, and top. Don't hold the can upside down, as this can release liquid propellant. Ensure your Xbox has plenty of breathing room. Place it in an open area, away from enclosed spaces, direct sunlight, or other electronic devices that generate heat. Wipe down the exterior of your Xbox with a dry, microfiber cloth to remove any surface dust that might be contributing to heat retention. Finally, plug your Xbox back in and power it on. With proper ventilation and regular cleaning, you should be back to gaming without the overheating headaches. If the problem persists, consider contacting Xbox support for more advanced troubleshooting.